Okay, so we are here with the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. I did feature this as a short reel on my TikTok channel, but this is going to be the in-depth review. So I generally try to avoid product companies, L'Oreal, Maybelline. A lot of the drugstore product companies do not carry things for my undertones. My undertones have shifted. I'm a light olive undertone, but I'm very pale right now. That's because I don't usually leave the house too often, being a single mom. But I decided when I ordered my diapers with my Target order yesterday that I was going to try this because it has vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is known for brightening and just really making that face look fresh. I chose color 220. I believe was light medium with warm undertones. I'll check the website and let you know exactly what shade this is. And it looks beautiful. I think it looks beautiful. It matches so well. I think it looks great. So, I think I applied a little too much. I didn't need as many drops as I did, and I'm going to do this is why I love YouTube, a side-by-side of me applying the makeup. That way you see it here, but I think I put a little too many drops, so I don't need that many. I could probably get away with a little drip, drab, dip, dop of it on, like, you know, my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin, and then it will blend beautifully. I did kind of have to brush it in a little bit more with my e.l.f. airbrush brush. It's my favorite brush to apply foundation, BB cream, CC cream, whatever. Super affordable. I'll get you the price. I purchased it at Target. Most of the stuff I buy is at Target lately. So I will let you know how much that was. With that being said, I think this is an amazing for over 40 skin. My face feels great, and I did use my setting powder. I did my full face routine, and it still looks luminous. Absolutely beautiful. My setting powder did not matte it down. It looks radiant. My face feels healthy. It feels good. When I got this last night, it was about 9 p.m. I did do a swatch on my hand. That swatch is still there, because you can see my little pale hand over here. It is still there, and I took comparison photos, so I'll show those to you here so you can see them of when I first put it on versus this morning. It looks beautiful. It definitely has stayed for almost 12 hours. It's almost 9 a.m. when I'm recording this. So it does say it's for a full 24 hours. I'm gonna leave it there. I've been washing my hands, just the palms, only trying not to get any soap on this area, just so we can see how it fits and feels. But my face feels amazing. I think this was totally worth the $13 that I paid for it at Target. I see that they have a bunch of shades in the range. It's probably harder to find ranges in stores. I always have a hard time, but 220 matched me perfectly with my light olive undertone. I think it looks great. What do you think? So if you like this video, if you use this product, let me know how you feel, because the vitamin C is supposed to help hydrate your skin over time. And if I go out today, it's supposed to be a little warm, in the 80s here in New York. So we'll see if it gets greasy, if it starts breaking down. We'll see how that is. And we'll put a follow-up clip at the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and let's interact. I love talking to all of you, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Bye.